Yo guys, it's up Shadow here and welcome back to Space Engineers today. Well, finally we got to do something different. Last two episodes were our crew quarter episodes, in which we have managed to build these beauties here. The crew quarters of the sleeping areas and the, well, the dressing room, or however you want to call that. And today, at least for the start of the video, we're not going to do time-lapse, maybe after this, but we'll see. Basically, I have to come up with the concept of the last room on this deck, which is the, I think I call it the mess hall slash normal person bathrooms and showers. I think that's what we're going to call it, something along those lines. So, we're going to get ourselves mainly a bit of steel plates, and we're gonna put down some blocks just to conceptualize this whole idea. So we have the staircase coming up here. Now, what we could do, at least I think, let me just fly around here. Yeah, okay. So I think what we all have to do is to have like a open deal here, so to speak. We'll have to have these this area here open, and then have some vents on both sides here, which will then pressurize these areas plus the whole hallway. So the hallway is basically pressurized with the mess hall, if that makes any sense. Now, what I wonder is if we can make the bathroom like right here in this area, if there is enough space for the bathroom. That is the question. So let us just put down some of these, the floor essentially. Let's put down some of these bad boys, and there we go. Now the question is, how big do we want the bathrooms to be? That is, of course, a question that we have to ask ourselves. And I think we have about, what did we say, about 80 people on this ship, so you need probably some, at least like a few stalls, right? So I think we'll have to make them at least maybe, size-wise, at least like this long. That makes sense. Something along those lines, but it is a very, very close affair, I think, because we could have, if we switch to the bathroom block, let's say we have some stalls here, some of these, like 1, 2, 3 on each side. Well, that would be 6 or something like that. And the problem is we don't have like a lot of space for things like the showers. Now, what I'm thinking right now is to make the showers separated. Perhaps. Maybe even put the showers in here and have the bathrooms like in the mess hall. Or around the mess hall somewhere. So, let's see. Let's say we put it like this, and then put showers in here. You know, we can put several showers in here, I believe. I think the toilet block. There we go. So we could have, for example, just several showers. Like, maybe one. Actually, if we have a 3-wide room, we can have 3 showers like next to each other here, and 3 here. Or something like that. And maybe even 1 here and 1 here. Yeah, I think that's how we're gonna do this. And then we'll have the entrance to the mess hall. It's gonna look something like this. Then I have the feeling if we want to do this like nicely, we're gonna put up a wall like this. Right? like so, and then it goes out into the mess hall, which is gonna be like from here. Oh, let's see. It's ugly. Like this, maybe? Just put it like this. How much space do we have if we make it this big on each side? Like a room like this. It's actually kind of small-ish. Okay. Let's say this is the mess part, where we put like rows of tables. You know, we would like, let's see, how wide is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 blocks. We would have it, which would mean we could put 2 tables, and here 2 tables, and then here in the middle we could have like a bigger table or like smaller quad tables, something along those lines. I think that would work, and then maybe we would have at the back here where it's gonna go narrow, essentially. We could have a little bit more like utensils, you know, like vending machines, the kitchen units, something like that. They don't need to be perfect. You know, we could have something like make walls like this. You know, something. Well, check this real quick. Something along those lines. So have like like 2 kitchen units here, or like 1 kitchen unit here, 1 here, then maybe a sofa and a dispenser, and we'll replicate that on this side as well. And then for the bathrooms, we could hide these away at like back here on each side, basically. You know, that you come like in here, and then we could just use either we could put them like around the corner here, have like a few stalls right here, and then like a little, yeah, almost like a waiting room, or there's no sinks. That's a bit of a problem. You would have like an area with sinks. We don't have that in the game yet, so. But something along this line, I think, is the goal here. I have the feeling. I think that's how this is gonna work. So we'll have central showers, and then we'll have the bathrooms on the mess halls. The mess halls themselves, plus the little like kitchenette thingy to each side. So, I think I will start building, and while I'm doing this, I think I'm gonna do this like in a time lapse again. I kind of like these because then I can really focus on the building, and because sometimes when I talk and build at the same time, I kind of get distracted and then I make mistakes. So, I will try to put this up in the next 20 minutes, half hour, and I hope I will get this done today. Or at least, like, the steel plates part. We'll see. Alright guys, I'll see you in a few minutes. Alright, so everything has been plated and has been welded. There we go. And I think that's all what we're gonna do for today. I just wanted to run through quick for a little tour slash explanation. So, as I said, there's like this open area where you come up and you either can go into the hallways or you can turn back around towards here, which is going to be the shower area, which we'll have to outfit. There is the hole for the vent. And then we have two equal areas, both look the same, with a main mess hall area, which we'll have to design next time. Then here is going to be like the kitchenette, vending machines, and also some couch area. And here is, on both sides, there are going to be vent holes, which fill these rooms plus the hallways with oxygen. Well, technically, the oxygen also can come from down below, but you know, just for like visual reasons, I want to have some of the on these level as well, just in case. And I had to place them here instead of here because we'll be using again this the corner light trick, and if we put stuff like around here, then we'll need to have at least one area here and one area here where we can put corner lights. And if we put it there, then we cannot put anything in this slot, which will look kind of weird. So they're a bit offset, but I think that's okay. And in every area, you'll have this little side area, which is going to be toilets. Now, I'm not quite sure if we're just going to make 2 rows of toilets facing each other, or just one, like offset to this side, and then I'm not quite sure what we would put on this wall, but that's not decided yet, as we run out of energy. Let me just actually refill really quickly. I thought I would be finished by the time the energy runs out, but apparently I'm too slow. Okay. There we go. Let me just get that. That's fine. And I just wanted to explain there's also going to be vent systems in the toilets. And it's going to be this. Now, the reason why it looks like this, we're going to put the conveyor down here, then the vent on top. But the grate is going to be like here. So it's going to be a vertical grate instead of horizontal one. It's not going to be on the floor, it's going to be on the wall. And the reason why this is here is basically because I want to prevent this kind of ugly like corner. And you have to put something behind here to prevent this. So we're going to go with this. Also, it kind of looks interesting, you know, almost like as if we were rerouting the air into here, kind of. So this prevents that, and it fits in here quite neatly. So, yeah, that's it for today. Next time we're gonna go and put down all the decorative parts. Also, I'm not quite sure how we're gonna do this here yet. If we're gonna basically do the whole 3 blocks like this, or maybe only 2 blocks like this, and then something in the middle, like another decoration. Maybe it's gonna be like this. I don't know. We'll figure that out next time, I think. But I think for now, pretty good. Looks well rounded off, and once we're finished with that, we're finished with that level, and then we can either move down to the lower area, or we could try to do something like this, the wing area, or we could start with the tail end, so to speak. At one point, we'll have to decide where the thrusters go. That's going to be an important part. And then, of course, at the end, we'll have to round all of this off. Maybe we'll have to add an extra layer of armor if it doesn't work out the way I planned it. But it's all things that we will see. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next week where we do some more well, decoration work. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Take care.